Right, guys. Right, so working on the gledhill. So the thing is, the boost is working, but the off-peak isn't. Right, guys, according to the customer, there is power coming to the spare switch from the consumer unit at off-peak times, but there's no power going to the machine heater. Now in this video, we're going to diagnose it and hopefully repair it. Guys, this video was sponsored by Easy Estate, your local letting agent in Birmingham. As introductory offer, we offer all our landlords free boiler repair cover and a free gas safety certificate. So if you're interested, give us a call now. Now both of the machine heaters have been changed, but that doesn't confirm they're both working just because there's something new. I've had it in the past, bought a new part and it's still not working, but I presume they're working. So what I'm going to do is change the wires around from the boost to the off-peak. We could have done an ohms test on it, but I decided to change the wires around. It's what came into my head at the time. Right, guys, just to let you know, if you got a broken down boiler in Birmingham or South Birmingham, domestic or commercial boiler, and they're broken down, you don't have to get them changed. We repair them for you. Most of the repairs are done on the same day and it's far cheaper than getting a new boiler. We also repair gledhill water heaters, we do boiler servicing and landlord gas safety certificates. So if you need any of our services, give us a call.
Walking to that bus stop and then taking bus and then dropping. But now with the car is easier. Are you happy with the car?
Right, what I've done now is taken the wire off the off boost one and connected to the off peak, and I want to switch it on. I know I could have done a simpler job by just checking the ohms on them, but I didn't. So we're going to test that out, and if it works, then we're going to check the spur switch. Does it continue onto that when it goes on and off? And if that is going on and off, we're going to check the cable and see if there's any continuity on that, and see if there's no broken link on that.
We went Ofricia in that you went. Yeah. No, this is useful actually.
Yeah, for story.
Right, the spare switch is fine. I checked the continuity on the two live wires. When I switched it on and off, and my manometer was buzzing. So that's fine. Just got the cable to check now. Right, we've come to the conclusion. We know what's wrong with it. The cable is damaged internally. There's no continuity on the live wire. So we're going to change that cable, and hopefully that will sort the problem out. Right guys, I've changed the cable around, put a new cable in, just finished connecting the machine heater. We're going to leave it overnight for the customer to test it out, but I'm 100% sure it's working fine now. So all good. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Hopefully that'll keep you happy.